Hi everyone, let me introduce you to my best friends, the Apple AirPods 2nd generation. I love these things and they follow me everywhere. Gym, work, kitchen, and even in bed when I listen to my favorite ebooks. They're so light and comfortable that you'll forget you're even wearing them. The sound quality is amazing, and you can easily switch between your phone, iPad, and MacBook without any fuss. Plus, the touch controls are so intuitive that you'll be tapping and swiping like a pro in no time. Just be careful not to accidentally tap on Shuffle All when you're listening to your guilty pleasure playlist. Trust me, nobody wants to hear Mambo No. 5 on repeat for an hour. And let's not forget about Siri. With just a quick, "Hey Siri," you can send texts, make phone calls, and even ask for the weather without ever taking your AirPods out. It's like having a personal assistant living in your ear. Just be prepared for the strange looks you'll get when you start talking to yourself in public. Overall, the Apple AirPods 2nd generation are a must-have for anyone who wants to upgrade their earbud game. They're stylish, comfortable, and so easy to use that even your grandma could figure them out. Just don't blame me if you start accidentally ignoring people because you're lost in your own little AirPod world. Thank you for watching.